In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can save a chart as an image of Microsoft Excel. To do this, right-click on the chart that you want to save as an image, and then here you can go to the bottom, and near the bottom, you're going to see where it says Save as Picture. Click on that, and here your normal save window will show up, and you can kind of go through and save it as an image. So you can call it chart image for sales and months. For example, you can save it as whatever image type that you want to, then go ahead and click Save. And now the chart is saved as an image. This is different formatting, but as you can see, it's an image. Another thing that you can do is you can copy and paste a special within the same Excel sheet and save like that. So we can copy the chart, then you can go somewhere else and then right click, and you can say Paste Options. You're going to see Paste Special, and you're going to paste as a picture. Whether it be a GIF, JPEG, or PNG, I'm just going to have paste as a JPEG. As you can see, now it is an image, which can be very helpful if we want to make sure that nobody messes with the chart if we're sending this to somebody, for example. That's it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.